Hey, I'm super excited to be here standing in front of our Helena Floorplan. This one's actually sold, but I can find another one for you. We're building several of these in here, but I want to give you a quick tour of this Helena Floorplan. So it's really cool. It has this nice big garage. It's a very long garage. Covered porch right here for your entrance. As you enter in the hallway, you have full bath and you have a guest bedroom right here. And I want to point out the fact that it has these hurricane cables right here. That's an extra feature that we spend a lot of money on here at DR Horton to make your house extra safe, since occasionally we get some strong winds. Nice coat closet right here. Of course, you'll have a full bath. We have a second bedroom, good sized bedroom. Look at all the natural light that's coming through that window. On this side is the entrance into your garage, so you don't get wet walking out in the rain at all or the cold. You just walk in and out of your house with your nice garage there. Let's come on down. Have more closet space right here. I know it's hard to imagine without the walls, but this would be your kitchen. There'd be cabinets against that wall. This would be your pantry right here. There'd be countertops right along in here. Look at this huge, huge living and dining space. I want to point out that there's a third bedroom, another good sized bedroom with a huge window, lots of natural light, and of course a closet right here on this side. So right now we've seen 3 bedrooms and there's another one. This is your laundry room with lots of storage, and it's right close to your kitchen so you can do your laundry while you're cooking. Very nice space. Imagine having your big screen TV against that wall, or even on that wall. You can have couches, you can have a table. Be very nice, very nice. Lots of natural light. So over on this side, we have the owner's bedroom. Look how big this is. It's giant. You can have a king-size bed against this wall very easily. I mean, this wall is at least 12, 15 feet wide. It's almost square. It's very large. Also have a nice sized window, lots of natural light. Over on this side is your bathroom. So you'll have a vanity here, your toilet, big walk-in shower right there. You don't have to share that with anybody. It's just for this bedroom. And look at the size of this. This could be an extra bedroom, but it's not. It's a walk-in closet. But it's wide enough you could put a bed right here if you wanted to. So our Helena plan is available. And it's at a great price. Give me a call, 843-469-6228. 843-469-6228 to see these houses out.